Virginia, Miss Intercontinental 2026. Let's invite outgoing Miss Top Model, standby Miss International, and Miss Supernatural. Can we have the outgoing queens ready backstage?
Next, we announce the winner for Top Model 2026. The winner is
Tonight we'll receive brand new cars, prize money, wardrobe from HL Classique, hair from Hair by Julie for an entire year, nail care from Nail Addict, wardrobe from Hills Couture, dental care from Venus Medical, spa treatments from Beauty Bar, glow up package from Brooke, jewelry from Senicolent, makeup for an entire year from Tsungi, and Pilates classes from Nouveau Pilates. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the outgoing Miss International as we ask the winner tonight. Miss International is Ruvimbo. For Miss. You wrote like a doctor, dude. Yeah. A philosopher.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to Miss Supra. Zimbabwe is Roseanna!
Makorogota Mklope to Roseanna.
Miss Universe Zimbabwe 2026, Roseanna Hall. Roseanna Ruvarenyika is a 34-year-old psychology graduate. This is what inspired her drive for mental health issues and birthed Beyond Survival Sisterhood, an initiative that builds confidence in women so they can secure financially independent futures without having to rely on anyone. Roseanna wants her story to encourage women to go after their dreams in spite of their fears and anxieties. When she's not curating lifestyle content and modeling, you'll find her hiking trails or flowing through Pilates. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Universe Zimbabwe 2026, Roseanna Hall. As our new queen takes up her crown and her sash and takes her first victory stride, ladies and gentlemen, this part of tonight's show ends here. My name is Shalin Mangweni Furusa Umnagaro Umtagatili, and I have been your voice host tonight. Until next year, good night.
Miss World receives a brand new Mercedes-Benz. Miss Universe will also receive a brand new Mercedes-Benz. And the other 5 winners will each receive a brand new Honda Fit. That's how you do it. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to celebrate with the new queens.
And yes, the party is still going on. And congratulations to all the contestants that did make it tonight, Noma Gugwand. Yes, and a lot has been going on, but thank you so much for everybody who came. While the after party is still happening here, we have amazing artists still coming. Coming up next is going to be Chill Master, but Junior Spraga is here tonight. And also we have Queen Khadija and Ja Preza is still in the building. For now, let's put our hands together for Chill Master.
Come on, let's make some noise for Chill Master.